Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. On this Volkswagen Tiguan we're going to go over how you can replace your map lights. So these are the map lights up front here / dome lights. They'll light up, illuminate when you open up the doors, or you can manually tap them to turn on your map light. And so then to gain access we just need to get this cover off, and then we'll have access to the two light bulbs in there. And just by taking a good small screwdriver we can work our way and pop this cover off. The individual lenses will pop out, so you'll just want to make sure that you pop them back in when you put it back on. And so then here is our map light itself. I'm going to work this out just so you can get a good grip to pull out. Get a good grip to be able to pull the light bulb out. And the new light bulb for this is a 5W5, or it's a W5W. So the new light bulb is a W5W. So you'd get a new one and then just be able to line it up, press that back into the tab, and then you can go ahead and line this back up. And then take the cover. You're going to want to do the back side first and then pop the front side in. And that's how you would replace your map light on your Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.